Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over and explain how you make money in your earned rewards area of your Coinbase account. And I'll link Coinbase's website right at the top of the video description if you want to access it through those means, as well as if you don't have a Coinbase account, if you need help and looking for a tutorial on how to open up an account with them, I'll have a separate video on how to do that as well posted down in the description. So it's actually pretty easy to make money through doing these lessons at Coinbase. This isn't like a get rich quick scheme or anything, but if you want some extra money in cryptocurrency, you can work your way through these video lessons relatively quickly. So as you can see here, you have these lessons offered to you. I've done 16 out of the 18. It maybe took me about 15 to 20 minutes to do these lessons, and I earned $35 in free cryptocurrency out of it. And what these lessons are is basically these different cryptocurrencies. They give you a video to watch, and then there's one question that's associated with the video that you have to answer to earn the free cryptocurrency. And what this means is you actually don't even have to watch the entire video. You just look at the question and see what it's looking for in terms of the answer. And as soon as you get that answer provided in the video, you can enter it in, and then you actually don't even need to watch the rest of the video. So you can get through these relatively quickly. Now you can see that I earned the $35 with the 16 out of the 18 lessons, and you might ask, well, why didn't you do the last two lessons? Well, those were two specific situations where it was through referrals. You got $10 in that particular cryptocurrency for each referral for a friend. So at the top here, when it says get $115 plus, 80 of that is through referrals, but 35 of it is still really easy to get just by watching these videos. So it might be a little misleading showing you how much money that you can potentially earn up here, but at the very least, like I said, 15-20 minutes of work to pick up $35 in free cryptocurrency, not so bad. You're not going to get rich doing this, but it's an easy way to add a little extra cryptocurrency into your Coinbase account. So you can look for these opportunities just simply by clicking your Earn Rewards tab in Coinbase. And of course, you have to have a Coinbase account to do this. And like I said earlier, if you need a tutorial on how to open up a Coinbase account, I'll have a separate video posted down in the description on how to do just that. So I hope this video is helpful, kind of going through a little bit of an explanation on how you go about earning these free cryptocurrency rewards by completing and watching these video lessons. It's super easy to do, and I recommend doing it if you're interested in getting a little extra free cryptocurrency. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.